Dreamy Days.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing an ice cream.
So, let's get started.
First, we will draw a cone. Now we will draw 2 scoops of ice cream. It's time to fill colors!
First, we will color the cone yellow.
Now we will draw the crisscross pattern on cone. Then, we will color the hearts with red color. Now, we will color the 1 scoop of ice cream with orange. At last, we will color the other scoop of ice cream with pink. And it's done! Isn't it looking yummy?
Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video!
And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.